What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best spin mops in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. The Masthome Spin Mop and Bucket Set. If you're searching for a durable, efficient, and stylish cleaning companion, stay tuned. Crafted with top-tier stainless steel and high-density PP, this kit is built to last. Gone are the days of flimsy mops. This sturdy design is here to stay. Remember, the color might differ from what's in the video. It comes in a classy beige and vibrant orange, not blue. What sets this system apart is its 360-degree rotating design, offering a hassle-free self-washing and self-wringing function. No more hand-wringing or tedious drying processes. With its 2 big wheels and foldable handle, moving the bucket around during cleaning is a breeze. Adjust the pole height from 102 cm to 128 cm for effortless reach under furniture, thanks to the 360-degree rotating mop head. Draining waste is a cinch. Simply utilize the convenient drain hose. This versatile system is suitable for all floor types, be it hardwood, marble, tile, laminate, or vinyl. The mop's gentle touch ensures protection while effectively cleaning various surfaces throughout your home, from the living room to the balcony or pool area. Storage? Easy peasy. Assemble the pole and mop head, and you're good to go. Plus, the detachable buckets allow for a convenient washing and drying process, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience and compact storage. Number 4. The MASTERTOP Spin Mop and Bucket Set. If you're seeking a powerful, convenient, and efficient cleaning solution, you're in the right place. Crafted with durable stainless steel and featuring a sizable 3.17-gallon bucket capacity, this system is built to handle your toughest cleaning tasks. When cleaning, remember to open the gray latch on the handle, ensuring effective cleaning, then securely close it before mopping the floor. The convenience factor here is off the charts. Equipped with 2 wheels, a pull handle, a carry handle, and a drain hose, this system prioritizes ease, efficiency, and labor-saving functionality. Forget plugs. The drain hose ensures rapid water drainage without any messy floor stains. What's truly impressive is the 360 degrees adjustable handle, effortlessly reaching tricky corners, under furniture, and even behind the toilet. With an adjustable length extending from 36 to 48 inches, paired with a splash-reducing basket design, this system keeps the mess confined to the bucket. With 5 reusable and machine-washable microfiber mop pads and an additional floor brush for tackling dust and pet hair, this system caters to various surfaces: laminate, hardwood, marble, tiles, and more. Absolutely, this product comes with a drain hose, no plug, and offers a 30-day return and 1-year replacement policy. Number 3. The swiftion 360 degrees rotating stainless steel mop and bucket system. If you're tired of the hassle and strain of traditional mopping, this might just revolutionize your cleaning routine. The swiftion system's standout feature is its ease of use and mobility. With hidden handles and 4 discrete wheels, moving this bucket filled with water is a breeze. Say goodbye to back strain. The separate drying handle is a game changer. Plus, the stainless steel build ensures durability, outperforming standard pedal-driven systems. Simply rinse the mop head in the bucket, place it into the wringer, lightly hold the handle, and press the foot pedal to spin the wringer. This process ensures a thorough clean with minimal effort, thanks to the 2" 1 microfiber mop head, including unique red strands for enhanced particle pickup and a deep-down clean. The horizontal handle design makes carrying the bucket a breeze, minimizing spillage, and the integrated handle holder adds to its convenience. The agitator loosens dirt in the reservoir, while the spin cycle in the dryer basket ensures the mop's dampness is just right. Your hands stay clean and dry throughout the process. In conclusion, the swiftion 360 degrees rotating stainless steel mop and bucket system is a game changer. Its user-friendly design, superior performance, and versatility make household cleaning a breeze. With this system, you'll not only save time but also experience a new level of convenience and efficiency in your cleaning routine. Number 2. The Vileda Easy Wring and Clean Turbo Microfiber Mop and Bucket Set, a cleaning powerhouse designed to revolutionize your floor cleaning routine. The Vileda Turbo Mop Set features a machine-washable, removable mop head, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and a longer lifespan for your cleaning equipment. It's a genuine Vileda product, guaranteeing quality and reliability in your cleaning arsenal. The highlight of this set is the foot pedal-operated wringer. Simply rinse the mop head in the bucket, place it into the wringer, lightly hold the handle, and press the foot pedal to spin the wringer. This process ensures a thorough clean with minimal effort, thanks to the 2" 1 microfiber mop head, including unique red strands for enhanced particle pickup and a deep-down clean. The horizontal handle design makes carrying the bucket a breeze, minimizing spillage, and the integrated handle holder adds to its convenience. The foot-activated ringing mechanism with splash protection barrier speeds up your cleaning process, ideal for various surfaces like tiles, wood, and laminates. With its longitudinal handle, transporting the bucket is effortless. The integrated front spout facilitates easy emptying, reducing any mess or hassle after your cleaning session. In summary, the Vileda Easy Wring and Clean Turbo Mop Set simplifies your cleaning routine, offering efficiency, convenience, and a thorough clean for all your floor surfaces. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a hassle-free, effective cleaning solution. Number 1. The Casabella Clean Water Microfiber Spin Bucket and Mop System, designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze. The Casabella Spin Mop System comes with 2 large buckets, enabling efficient separation of clean and dirty water for a thorough clean throughout your home. The pedal spinner and spinning handle make wringing the mop effortless, reducing strain on your hands. Plus, the bucket's handles ensure a sturdy grip, making it easily portable from room to room. The mop's unique hex design is a game-changer, effortlessly reaching into corners and tight spaces, ensuring no spot goes untouched. This feature provides a thorough clean every time, eliminating the hassle of reaching and scrubbing those hard-to-reach areas. The removable splash guard and integrated scraper tool add convenience to your cleaning routine, whether tackling light spills or heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The built-in measuring cup is a standout feature, ensuring accurate measurements for cleaning solutions every time, saving both time and resources. With a visible max fill line of 1.25 gallons, the Casabella Spin Mop System's built-in measuring cup ensures the correct ratios for efficient cleaning. The portable and sleek design adds a touch of convenience to your cleaning routine. In summary, the Casabella Clean Water Microfiber Spin Bucket and Mop System is a game-changer, offering efficiency, convenience, and a thorough clean for your home. It's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. Ultimately, the best spin mop for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors such as your budget, the type of floors you have, and how often you plan to use the mop. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Era Review Zone family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.